In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix an iCloud restore stuck issue on your iPhone or iPad. If you've ever found yourself anxiously staring at your device, wondering why it seems eternally stuck while trying to restore from iCloud, don't worry. We're about to walk through some straightforward, practical solutions that can help get your iPhone or iPad up and running again without a hitch. First things first, let's talk about your internet connection. It goes without saying that a stable internet connection is crucial when dealing with iCloud restores. Make sure that your device is connected to a strong and stable Wi-Fi network. If your internet connection is weak or fluctuating, it can cause the restore process to drag out or even halt altogether. Double check your Wi-Fi connection, and if needed, try moving closer to your router or restarting your Wi-Fi to ensure it's working at its best. Next, a simple yet effective step is to restart your device. Sometimes all your device needs is a quick reboot to clear out any temporary glitches causing the restore to stall. To do this, hold down the power button until you see the slide to power off option. Once your phone is turned off, give it a few seconds and then turn it back on. This small step can often resolve more issues than you might expect. Another important tip is patience. iCloud backups can sometimes be quite large, and depending on your Wi-Fi speed and the size of your backup, the process can take a significant amount of time. Ensure that your device remains plugged in and connected to Wi-Fi. Give it some time to work through the restoration process without interruptions. If after some time it still seems like your iPhone or iPad is stuck, you might need to take a different approach. Cancel and retry your restore. Go to Settings, then General, where you will find the option to reset. Select Erase all content and settings. This action will wipe your device, but it will also give you a clean slate to attempt the iCloud restore again. When you set your device up once more, you can choose to restore from your iCloud backup once again. Lastly, ensure that your iOS is up to date. Software updates often include fixes for various bugs, and operating on the latest version of iOS can prevent complications during the restore process. Before attempting your restore again, check for any available updates by going to Settings, then General, and finally Software Update. By following these steps, you'll help set your device back on track, ensuring it restores properly from iCloud without getting stuck. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found these tips helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials.